wanted to show some of the other applications of the Radius360. It's not just for sanding drywall and scuff sanding paint. A lot of the painters and the guys out there use it for scuff sanding polyurethane in between coats, and really anything with a large surface. It works great for scuff sanding. This is a big oak table, and I'm just going to give you a quick demo. Radius360, you can take off the pad, and our pro handle adapter, molded hook on this side, screw them on that side to stick it in the center. I'm using 240 grit level 360 sanding discs. Got everything from 300 grit down to 60 grit. And just scuff sand. Follow the grain. Take off all that texture, all the lint and the buildup. A little overspray from the sprayer maybe. Smoothing everything out. Now, a lot of guys use it on a pole, sanding in between coats, uneven hardwood floors, wainscoting, large panel doors, really any surface that you polyurethane. The nice thing is too is the foam pad with the pro handle adapter, you can manipulate it on radiuses. So when you go around corners, that half-inch foam pad forms really nice to any kind of a radius. Get a nice finish.